Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss few problems on this chapter. Okay. First question. Find the current to the impedance of the given circuits. Okay. So in the given circuit, the applied voltage is 100 volts and 50 hertz. The resistance is 50 ohm and inductance is 50 millihenry and capacitance value is 50 microfarad. What do you find? Current through the impedance of the circuit. Okay. Solution. What is that? We need to find the current through the circuit. So I is equal to, by the definition of the current, V by Z, total voltage upon impedance. Okay. So what is meant by Z? It is the impedance of by the circuit. It is a resistance plus Z into inductance reactance minus capacitance reactance. If it is capacitance reactance more compared to the inductance reactance, we will write as XC minus XL. Okay. So now move on to the given data is resistance value is 50 ohms. Okay. Then second one is XL. What is XL? Reactance of the inductor. It is reactance of inductor. Inductor. Okay. What is that? What is the value? It is omega L, which is equal to 2 pi f L. Omega is replaced with the 2 pi f. Okay. So in given figure, the frequency is 50 Hz. So I am substituting corresponding values 2 pi into 50 into what is the L value? L is equal to 50 millihenry. What is that? 50 milli instead of milli, I am replacing with minus 10 power minus 3. Okay. On simplifying this, we will get 15.7 ohm. Okay. Then we need to find the reactance value of capacitance, that is XC, which is given as 1 upon omega C. We can rewrite as, instead of omega I am replacing 2 pi f. 2 pi f C. I am substituting corresponding values given in the circuit. Okay. 1 upon 2 pi into, what is the frequency? It is 50 into, what is the value of capacitance? 15 microfarad. 50 micro means 50 into 10 power minus 6. On simplifying this, we will get 63.66 ohm. Okay. From the definition of impedance, Z is equal to R plus J XL minus XC, which is equal to, what is R value? 50 plus J XL value. What is XL value? 15.7 minus 63.6. Finally, we will get which is equal to 50 minus J 47.96 ohms. Okay. So what we need to find the current value in the circuit. What is the current value? V upon Z. What is the applied voltage? that is 100 volts upon 50 minus J 47.96. Okay, just convert into polar into rectangle or rectangle into polar. We will get the final value. Okay, so we get 1.042 plus J into 0.999 amperes. Whereas in polar coordinate it is equal to 1.443, an angle of 43.8 degrees. It is measured in amps. Okay. Move on to second problem. Find the value of the circuit current under the resonance and also resonance frequency, power, voltage drop across resistance, inductance, capacitance for given network. In the given network, the input voltage, the Vs input voltage is 100 volts, the resistance value is 50 ohm, the capacitance value is 40 millihenry, and capacitance value is 100 microfarads. What we need to find the value of current at resonance resonance okay. Next one, what is resonance frequency? Third one, the power. Fourth one is voltage drop across resistance, voltage drop across inductor, and voltage drop across capacitor we need to find. Okay, so the given data we are writing, and then move on to the next slide. What is the resonance? At resonance, in the previous class we will discuss at a resonance. At a resonance, what is the impedance? In series circuit, the given circuit is series circuit, so the total impedance is equal to resistance, that is R value. At the resonance condition, the circuit behaves like as pure resistor, so that the impedance is considered as Z is equal to R. Okay, so first parameter, the current at resonance. Current at resonance means I is equal to V upon Z. Instead of Z we are replacing R. So what is the V which is given in the figure? 100 volts upon, what is the Z? It is 50 ohms. So we will get 2 amperes. Okay, then second quantity we need to find the resonance frequency. The frequency at which the resonance occurs is called resonance frequency, which is derived in previous class. The resonance frequency formula is given as 1 upon 2 pi root L and C. Okay, I am substituting corresponding values in the given formula, 2 pi into under root of L C. So what is the value of EL? It is given in the circuit diagram is 40 millihenry minus 3 into, what is the value of C, which is given in the circuit diagram is 100 microfarad. 100 into 10 power minus 6. Finally we will get 80 hertz. It is 80 hertz. On simplifying the whole parameter, we will get 80 hertz. Third one, what is the one? Power at resonance. Power means the power because of the power dissipation because of the resistance. So which is we need to find with the help of the given formula I square into R. What is meant by I? The current is given 2 square into what is the of resistance which is 15. We will get 200 watts. 200 watts. The fourth parameter, the voltage drop across resistance, which is known as VR, is equal to the current through the resistance into resistance value. 2 into resistance value is 50. We will get 100 volts. The fifth one is drop across inductor, which is given as VL is equal to the current through the inductor into inductive reactance is equal to I into I means I instead of XL I am writing 2 omega L. Omega is equal to I into 2 pi f L. I am substituting corresponding values. 2 into current is 2, then 2 into 2 pi into what is the frequency, which is find out as 80 hertz, resonance frequency 80 hertz. Then what is the value of L? It is 40 milli means minus 3. We will get the value of the voltage across the inductance is 40 ohms. Okay. The sixth parameter we need to find voltage drop across voltage drop across capacitor. So voltage drop across capacitor. So which is denoted VC. The given circuit is series circuit, so that the current is same in the each element. Okay. So the current through the capacitor into capacitive reactance. So what is the capacitive reactance? I into, you know that instead of X L I am replacing omega C. So I into 1 upon omega instead of omega 2 pi f C. Okay, I am substituting corresponding values. Finally we will get the current is 2 and then 1 upon 2 pi f means 80 hertz into what is the value of C? 100 microfarad. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Okay, finally we will get is also 40 ohms. Okay. At resonance, the voltage drop across the inductor and the voltage drop across the capacitor, voltage across capacitor is same. Move to the next problem and the following vector and find the magnitude and slope. Okay, it is one way to asking the question, or add the vector means addition of a plus b. Solution. So another way to ask the question is find the resultant vector and write in the polar format. Polar form. Okay. So what is number a plus b? A is given 3 plus say 5 plus what is the b value? 8 minus j6. Okay. Finally we will get it is 11 minus j1. Okay. So what is the magnitude value? Magnitude a plus b. Okay. Bar is equal to real part square 11 square plus imaginary part square. Okay. So which is minus 1 whole square. We will get finally 11.045. Okay. What is the slope? Slope means angle. So theta is equal to which is tan inverse of what is the imaginary part? Minus b by a. What is minus b by a? B means minus 1 upon 11. We will get minus 5.19 degree. Okay. So in the polar form, r and theta and magnitude and angle written as 11.045 and angle of minus 5.19 angle. Okay. Move on to the next problem. It is also similar. Find the a minus b value. Okay. A minus b value and write in polar form. Polar form. Okay. So what is a 3 plus j5? What is the b value? 8 minus j6. So a minus b. So I am substituting corresponding values 3 plus j5 minus of 8 minus j6. So finally we get 3 plus j5 minus 8 plus j6. I'm subtracting real use real parts and if the polarities are reversed, considering real parts and imaginary parts. Okay, imaginary part. Okay, so 3 minus 8. What is the value? Minus 5. Okay, and imaginary part is plus j5 plus j6. So which is addition j11. Okay, so what is the magnitude? A minus b bar under root of real part whole square minus plus imaginary part square. Finally we will get, I'm simplifying this, 12.08. What is the slope? Slope nothing but angle. Theta is equal to tan inverse of imaginary part. Imaginary part is 11 upon minus 5. We will get minus 65.55. Okay, so in the form of polar form which is given as r and theta, it is magnitude, it is phase angle. So 12.08 an angle of minus 65.55 degrees. Okay, move to the next problem. Find A upon B, and second problem is A cross B for the given values. So given A is equal to 60 an angle of 20 degrees, B is given as 30 an angle of 15 degrees. So which are given in polar format. So previous problem we are determining the values from rectangle to polar or complex to polar. But now in the given problem we are going to find the values A upon B and A cross B in the form of polar form. Okay. First problem is A upon B. I'm substituting corresponding value 60 upon 60 and angle 20 degrees upon 30 and angle 15 degrees. So 31s are 32s are. Okay, we will get 2. In case of angles, the numerator angle minus denominator angle. So what is numerator angle? 20 minus 15. We will get 2 an angle of 5 degrees. Okay, and move on to second problem. A cross B. So substitute 60 angle of 20 degrees instead of A cross and 30 an angle of 15 degrees instead of B. So the values of magnitude of A and B will multiply each other. So 60 into 30 instead of angles we are adding the angles 20 plus 15 degrees. So 60 into 30 1800. Okay, an angle of angles are add each other, so that is 35 degrees. Okay, please remember in this problem if the angles are from the denominator numerator, from denominator and numerator they are subtract each other, whereas in multiplication the angles are added. Here it is subtraction. Okay, thank you.